Hello everyone, welcome back to Spicy and Delicious Goodness. Today we're making simple, delicious banana bread. Do you have overripe bananas at home? Don't throw them away just yet. Here's something you could do with them. These are the ingredients you're going to need to make the banana bread. All-purpose flour, vanilla extract, salt, baking soda, 2 eggs, melted butter, brown sugar, and 3 overripe bananas. Before you start, turn on your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After you're done with that, measure 2 cups of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then you're going to sift it all. So when you're done, use a spatula to mix all the dry ingredients together. When you're done, you set the dry ingredients aside and grease your pan. You could use the wrapper from the butter to grease it so that the bread doesn't stick to the pan, but this is a non-stick pan. It releases it easily. Then crack your eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. You could achieve that by leaving them out overnight or leaving them in warm water for a few minutes. And then once you crack them, whisk. When you're done whisking your egg, set it aside and start peeling your bananas. Shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. You are truly appreciated. Thank you. When you're done peeling your bananas, mash it with a fork or a potato masher. It's much better to use a potato masher. If you have one, feel free to use it. When you're done mashing your banana, add 1/2 cup of melted butter to the bananas and mix it. Then add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar and mix. If you are new or have been watching the videos and you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Thank you in advance. When it's properly combined, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix. Transfer the eggs into the banana mixture and mix. Then add the banana mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until properly combined. Once properly mixed, pour in the batter into the already greased bread pan. Smoothen the top, give it a gentle tap before you put it in the oven. Oh, that's a piece of undissolved brown sugar. Put it in the oven to bake for 50 to 60 minutes. This is 50 minutes later. We're gonna use a skewer to check if it's done or not. If the skewer doesn't come out clean, put it back for another 10 minutes. After 60 minutes, it is ready. Transfer it to the rack and let it cool. You could leave it in the pan and let it cool for a few minutes. After a few minutes, remove it from the pan and put it on the rack to continue to cool. Once it's completely cool, you could slice and enjoy. This bread is so delicious. I'm always excited whenever this bread is made, and the smell, the smell engulfs the whole house. It smells so good. I want you to give this recipe a try. You will not be disappointed. If you have any banana lovers in your life, share this recipe with them. They'll be grateful. Bananas are really healthy for you. They're filled with loads of potassium, and potassium really helps your body. Thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you receive an alert whenever a video is uploaded. Like and share the video if you enjoyed it. Stay safe, stay blessed. We love you. Till the next time. Bye.